We're gonna do all of these. Eventually I might start throwing in my older cubes just so it's like a longer kind of run. Like, I guess I could throw this in as well. But I don't know, this feels so like cheap now. And it's the best cube I had. I feel like I'm gonna waste a lot of money on this, which I was kind of afraid of. Alright, let's line them up. So I'm doing this first, and this. This one. Yeah, this is the order I'll be doing it in. From here to here. Alright. Let's put up here so you can see. When I start my timer, the video that's playing is gonna be the video from before, not my actual PV video, so. Alright. Dude. Let me change the song first. Alright. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Fuck, I'm not ready. Okay, now I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Shit. Oh my god. This thing is huge. Wait a second. Fuck. Yeah. See, when I solve my 3x3, it's like I'm not nearly as good as any of the world record holders or the elite speed solvers, but I can kind of see how they got that good. Like, with enough time and effort, you'll eventually get that good. But like when I solve big cubes, I'm like, I don't know how fuck you solve this shit so fast. Alright, we did one center. Freaking Felix would be done by now. Felix is the world record holder in like a lot of shit, by the way, for anyone who doesn't know. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the guy's an animal. Yeah, I know, right? It's such a weird name, but like, he's basically Zost. That's what he is. God, where's that last center? Fuck! Okay. Yeah, his averages are pretty close to just the actual world record times, or like second place times, for a lot of categories like 5x5 and stuff. Did I fuck up? Yes, I did. Definitely, for sure. Alright, we're going for blue right now. Did I do this right? Yeah, I did. Alright, we're on to the red centers now. Oops. That would have been a mistake. Must be so weird watching this and me commentating on it because you don't know what the hell I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just finding every single thing. Yeah, dude, freaking. God damn it, he's so good. The world record times are getting pushed really low. Okay. I think I screwed up. Did I? Yeah, I might have. Fucking, I did really screw up. Okay, no I didn't. I'm fine. I'm just kidding. I don't even know if I'm doing the right thing. I feel like I am. Yeah, I am. Okay. Am I? Shit, I'm doing something horribly wrong. God, what the fuck? Dude, I'm screwing up so badly with these last two centers. What the hell am I doing? Alright, I'm gonna ignore chat for just a moment while I fix what I did wrong. Even though you guys have no idea what I did wrong. Do I even know how to do this? I'm afraid that I'm gonna completely ruin my solve. Okay, okay, I'm getting this. Yes, okay. I'm very close to getting all the centers. We did it, okay. Edges time. I mean, it's so hard because like, I can't move the pieces as fast as I want to. So like, I get confused halfway about what I'm trying to do. But yeah, this cube though is very good. Like it's still pretty fast for a big cube. Wait, what the hell? Okay. I can't find the pieces. Okay, I found it. Yeah, my hands are actually getting tired. Dude. What's up, Panzeron again? Sorry, I'm not Metroiding. I can always Metroid another time. Dude, where's that piece? Okay. You know what's annoying when you're doing edges? You're scanning the whole cube for that one edge piece. It's like, fuck, where is it? And then you realize it's right next to where you were looking at in the first place. I know it's like really arbitrary, but I'm sure Mop knows what I'm talking about. Okay. I still don't remember all the 3x3 algorithms. I haven't learned all of them. Okay, last 5 edges. And then should be done. Alright, 4 more edges. Wait a second. Alright, where's that shit? God damn it! Okay. Okay, we're almost into the 3x3 stage. Almost. Till I get parity and then forget what I'm doing. 'Cause it's gonna happen. Oh, I'm not even gonna hit parity. Oh wait, no I am. Well, never mind. Yeah, I remembered. Yeah, okay. If I was Nimix, I would be like almost done with a 9x9. He's really good. Ooh, okay, we're done. Holy shit. This feels weird. Because this cube's so small now. It feels concave now, because the other one's like pillowed. So like, I feel like the cube is going out now, if that makes any sense. What's up, Swordman Kirby? What's wrong with stickerless? I'm a noob with cubes, so like, I know a lot of uber cubers always go with stickers. I don't care. I'm like a pleb and I admit it. Alright, where's the red and white? Here it is. Dude, okay. Alright. Where's that yellow bitch? Okay, here it is. Oh shit. It does feel weird, but whatever. It looks nice. Some vein like that. I can't be bothered to like resticker a cube. Oh shit, I don't know this algorithm. I really don't, but I'm gonna attempt it anyway. Wait, I think I got it right. Yeah, okay. Next. Oh shit. Oops. Wait, the fuck? Okay. Where's the yellow? I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I don't know what I just did. Dude. Oh my god, I fucked up, I think. Shit. Okay, thank god. Holy crap, I nearly fucked up that whole solve. Alright. These colors are weird. I nearly forgot that algorithm, so I did it slow. Alright. Yeah, you're right. Actually, stickered does feel better, but because I'm using a stickered right now, it feels less slippery. You know how I fixed parity before? I would like semi-scramble the cube and then resolve it again and hope that it doesn't come up. Alright. And now the cube that I don't know how to solve. I'll just solve it like a 3x3. I'm a noob. This is way more turns than it should take to solve this. Okay, we're good. Nice. What's up, King Daburo? Oh man. That was pretty good. That 7x7 center solve was awful. Alright, so